Many artisanal coffee shops and roasters popping up throughout the country. Australians take their coffee seriously, and many cafes offer a wide range of specialty coffee drinks, such as flat whites and long blacks. This coffee culture has had a significant impact on the culinary scene in Australia, with many cafes also offering a range of breakfast and lunch dishes. Tim Tams. Tim Tams are a beloved Australian snack that is made up of 2 chocolate biscuits with a layer of creamy chocolate filling in between. Tim Tams are a beloved Australian snack that is made up of 2 chocolate biscuits with a layer of creamy chocolate filling in between. They are a popular treat that can be found in supermarkets and convenience stores throughout the country. In addition to being eaten on their own, Tim Tams are also used as a topping for ice cream or as an ingredient in desserts. Vegemite. No discussion of Australian cuisine would be complete without mentioning Vegemite. This salty spread, made from yeast extract, is a staple in Australian households and is often eaten on toast for breakfast. While Vegemite may be an acquired taste for some, it is an iconic part of Australian culture and a must-try for any visitor to the country. Meat pies are a quintessential part of Australian cuisine and are a beloved food for many Australians. These savory pies are typically filled with minced beef and gravy, and are often topped with tomato sauce. The filling can also include vegetables such as onions, carrots, and peas, as well as spices such as garlic, thyme, and rosemary. The pastry can be either puff pastry or short crust pastry, and can be either homemade or store-bought. Meat pies are a popular snack and can be found in bakeries, cafes, and supermarkets throughout the country. They are often sold individually and are a convenient and filling meal option on the go. Many Australians also enjoy meat pies as a comfort food, with memories of eating them as a child or at sporting events. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards gourmet meat pies, with bakeries and cafes experimenting with new and unique flavors. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards gourmet meat pies, with bakeries and cafes experimenting with new and unique flavors. These can include pies filled with lamb, chicken, pork, or even kangaroo meat, as well as pies with added ingredients such as cheese, bacon, or mushrooms. Some bakeries even offer vegetarian or vegan meat pies made with plant-based proteins like soy or lentils. Meat pies are often enjoyed with a side of chips or salad, and can be paired with a range of beverages, including beer, wine, or soft drinks. They are also a popular option for events such as picnics, barbecues, and parties. Overall, meat pies are an iconic and delicious part of Australian cuisine that have been enjoyed for generations. Their hearty filling and flaky pastry make them a satisfying and convenient meal option that can be enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Whether you're grabbing a quick snack on the go or enjoying a gourmet pie with friends, meat pies are a must-try food in Australia.